Today my topic is network topology. A network topology is the arrangement with which computer system or network devices are connected to each other. Topology may define both physical and logical aspects of the network. Both logical and physical technologies should be same or different in a same network. Physical connection of device on the network is called topology. Types of network topologies. First is point-to-point, in which simplex, half-duplex and full-duplex topologies are available. And second is multi-point, in which burst topology, ring topology, star topology, mesh topology, tree and hybrid topologies are available. First is point-to-point links, in which simplex, single flows in one direction, is simplex topology. Second is half duplex, each station can both transmit and receive but not at the same time, like walkie-talkie. Third, full duplex, both stations transmit and receive simultaneously, like as mobile phones. Like in diagram to see point-to-point links, data flow from one system to another system. And next is multi-point topologies, in which bus, ring, star, mesh, tree and hybrid topologies are available. First is bus topology. In case of bus topology, all devices share single communication line or cable. Bus topology may have problem while multi-shots sending data at the same time. Data is sent to all computers on the trunk. We can see that in the diagram of bus topology, a single data flow line transmits to all systems. Ring topology, devices are connected on a single circle of cable. Each computer acts as a repeater and keeps the signal strong. No need for repeaters on a ring topology. No termination required because it's a ring. Shown in figure, the ring topology is like a circle. Next is star topology. Devices are connected by cable segments to a centralized device that is called hub. Signal travels through the hub to all other computers. It allows several cable types in the same network with a hub that can accommodate multiple cable types. Shown in figure that. Next is mesh topology. A host is connected to one or multiple hosts. This topology has host in point-to-point connection with every other host, or may also have hosts which are in point-to-point connection with few hosts only. There are multiple paths from one computer to another computer. Next is tree topology. Tree topology combines the characteristics of bus topology and star topology. The topmost node is tree topology is known as a ring node, and all other nodes are the descendant of the root node. There is only one path exists between two nodes for the data transmission. Thus, it forms a parent-child hierarchy. We can see in diagram, first is core layer, distribution layer and access layer. Topmost is parent node and the other nodes are child nodes. Next is hybrid topology. The combination of various different topologies is known as hybrid topology. Hybrid topology is a connection between different links and nodes to transmit the data. Hybrid topology inherits merits and demerits of all the incorporating topologies, in which all the combination of topologies like star, ring, etc. Thank you.